Hi, my name is Tim Mobley and welcome to How to Checkmate with the King, Bishop, and Knight, and so much more, my book that's available in stores everywhere. And today we're going to focus in on how to checkmate with the King and two bishops randomly. So, we've already gone over how to checkmate with the King and two bishops, and before that we've gone over threading the bishops, how to thread the bishops once they're together. Now we're going to focus in on doing it randomly, which is what you'll face in the actual tournament game. So here, this is about as random as you get. This king's on this side, this dark spread bishop's over here, light spread bishop's over here. First thing you want to do is get the two bishops together. So we'll bring this bishop over here. The reason why we wouldn't want to bring this bishop over here is because then the king has to somehow get all the way around here. This way, the king only has to come on over here. So then this king moves here, this king moves up, this king moves up, and then you want your king to be a nice move away from the other king, pushing him back. So this king comes here, and this comes here, and now this king is forced to go back. And when that happens, you want to thread the bishops. And as we discussed earlier, if the king's on this side, you want to thread the bishop towards the king, and then level out, just like that. So again, if this king comes over here, this comes over here, this comes here, keeping this king a nice move away from this king. And then, when this king is pushed back, you thread the bishops, once again, towards the king, and then level out. Now, this king comes here, oh sorry, black's turn. That goes there. This king comes here. This king comes here, this king comes here. Now, occasionally you'll have it where black decides, I'm going to move back this way instead. And when that happens, what you want to do is you don't want to follow with the king. Instead, you want to shadow with the bishop. Now, which bishop? Well, if the king is moving on a dark square backwards like that, you want to shadow by moving the bishop on a dark square in the same direction, just like that. So now, again, if the king does it again, by coming here, you want to continue to shadow by moving the bishop right there, just like that. So now, let's say this king comes here. Now's the time you want to level out. So bring this bishop right there. When these two bishops together, it creates a diagonal walls that prevent this king from escaping. So, this king comes here. Now this starts moving up. You want to keep this a nice move away from the king. That goes there. Keep it a nice move away. That goes there. Now once again, you want to thread the bishops towards the king. And then level out. And then this comes here. Now in this case, the way I've always taught you is you want to get your king on the third rank and the third file. So that's here in this case. So third rank and third file will be here, here, and here. So in this case, you want to get it here. But the bishops are there. So rather than finagling your way to move the bishop out and get that there, instead, there's a simpler way which I do not normally teach. I'm teaching this to you now, but I need you to realize that this way leads to a lot of stalemates in actual tournament play. So you have to be very careful. So, you want to bring this king around this way. And then when this king comes here, this king comes here. Now, this bishop cuts off this square, this bishop cuts off this square. The next square you want to cut off is this square. So, you move this bishop right here. Now, here's the reason why I don't teach this. Because the next square to cut off would be this square. But if you did that now, what would that be? That's right, that would be stalemate. So you don't want stalemate. So you always have to remember that when it comes to the checkmates, you want it to be checkmate two, but each move has to give a check. So in this case, what you would do is simply a waiting move, because you're just waiting for this king to come here. And then finally, check. And then the only move is there. And then we give check and